Best AI Tools for Summarizing Long Documents in 2026. The Complete Guide. If you've ever had to read a long PDF, research paper, book, or report and felt overwhelmed by how much time it takes, you're not alone. Many people, whether they're students, researchers, content creators, or professionals, regularly deal with long documents that contain valuable information but are extremely time-consuming to go through. You open a 50-page PDF or a dense research paper and think, I just need the key points, but end up spending hours reading through everything just to find what's actually important. Or worse, you skim through it quickly and later realize you missed critical information. This process is not only slow, but also mentally exhausting. In 2026, AI tools have become much better at solving this exact problem. There are now several AI tools that can read long documents and generate high-quality summaries, key points, and insights in just a few minutes. What used to take hours of reading can now be done much faster, if you use the right tools and know how to use them properly. However, not all AI summarization tools are equally good. Some tools are excellent at summarizing academic papers but struggle with general documents. Others are very user-friendly but produce shallow summaries. Some tools can handle very long documents well, while others have strict length limits. In this video, I'm going to break down the best AI tools for summarizing long documents in 2026. I'll compare the top options, explain their strengths and weaknesses, and show you which tools are actually worth using depending on your specific needs. I'll also share practical tips on how to get better summaries from these tools. If you regularly work with long documents and want to save time while still getting accurate and useful information, this video should help you choose the right tools and use them more effectively. Let's get into it. Why AI summarization tools have become so valuable. Reading and understanding long documents has always been a challenge. Whether it's a 100-page research paper, a dense business report, a long legal document, or even a full book, the amount of time and mental effort required is significant. Traditional methods of summarizing documents usually involve reading the entire document, taking notes manually, highlighting important sections, trying to organize the information yourself. This process is not only slow but also prone to human error. You might miss important details or misunderstand complex sections. AI summarization tools were created to solve these problems. Instead of reading everything yourself, you can upload a document and let AI analyze it, extract the key points, and present them in a clear and organized way. This can save you a huge amount of time, especially when you need to process multiple long documents. However, AI summarization is not perfect. The quality of the summary depends heavily on the quality of the tool and how well you use it. Some tools produce excellent, accurate summaries, while others miss important context or oversimplify complex information. This is why choosing the right AI tool for summarizing long documents is important. In 2026, there are several strong options available, each with different strengths. Top AI tools for summarizing long documents in 2026. Let's go through the best tools currently available for summarizing long documents. 1. Notebook LM, by Google. Notebook LM is currently one of the strongest and most popular AI tools for summarizing long documents in 2026. Strengths. Excellent at analyzing and summarizing uploaded documents, PDFs, Google Docs, text files, etc. Very good at staying grounded in the source material, lower hallucination rate. Can generate high-quality summaries, study guides, FAQs, and key points. Has a unique audio overview feature that turns your documents into a natural podcast-style discussion. Completely free with generous usage limits. Easy to organize multiple documents into one project. Weaknesses. Not as strong at real-time web research, it works best with documents you upload. The audio overview can sometimes feel slightly unnatural. Limited control over the exact style of the summary. Best for summarizing research papers, books, and long reports. Creating study materials and learning resources. Organizing and analyzing large amounts of documents. Students, researchers, and content creators who work with written materials. Many people consider NotebookLM one of the best free tools for document summarization right now because of its accuracy and ease of use. 2. Claude, by Anthropic. Claude, especially the Pro version with the Projects feature, is currently one of the best tools for high-quality document summarization. Strengths. Excellent writing quality and ability to produce clear, well-structured summaries. Can handle very long documents effectively, especially with projects. Strong at following detailed instructions about how you want the summary formatted. Good at analyzing and comparing multiple documents. Lower rate of hallucinations compared to most other models. Weaknesses. Free version has strict usage limits. Can be slower when processing very large documents. Pro version is required for serious, regular use. Best for high quality, detailed summaries of long documents. Academic and professional research. Creating well-structured reports or executive summaries. Users who need summaries that require minimal editing. If summary quality is your top priority and you're willing to pay for the Pro version, Claude is currently one of the strongest options available. 3. ChatGPT, GPT-4o. ChatGPT with file upload capabilities remains a very popular choice for summarizing documents. Strengths. Easy to use and beginner-friendly. Can handle a wide variety of document types. Good at following instructions and generating summaries in different formats. Flexible, you can ask follow-up questions and refine the summary. Available on both free and paid plans. Weaknesses. More likely to hallucinate compared to Claude or NotebookLM. Free version has usage limits and slower responses. Sometimes produces more generic summaries. Best for general document summarization. Users who want a simple and flexible tool. Quick summaries when high precision is not critical. ChatGPT is still a solid choice for many people. Especially if you already use it for other tasks and want one tool that can do multiple things. 4. Gemini, by Google. Gemini has improved its ability to handle and summarize long documents, especially when used with Google Docs. Strengths. Good integration with Google Docs and Google Drive. Can summarize documents directly within the Google ecosystem. Decent at handling long context. Free tier is quite capable. Weaknesses. Summary quality is usually average compared to Claude or NotebookLM. Sometimes overly cautious or generic. Less specialized for deep document analysis. Best for users who work heavily within Google Docs. Quick summaries of Google documents. General research and note-taking. Gemini can be convenient if you're already in the Google ecosystem, but it's rarely the best choice if you need high-quality summaries. 5. Other notable tools. Elicit. Very useful for summarizing academic research papers. It can find and summarize relevant papers based on your research question. Cite.ai. Helps you understand how research papers have been cited and whether they support or contradict certain claims. Mem.ai. Good for organizing and summarizing notes and documents over time. Readwise Reader Plus AI. Useful for summarizing articles and saving highlights. These specialized tools can be very helpful if you do academic or research-heavy work. Comparison of the best AI tools for summarizing long documents. Here's a practical comparison of the top tools. Notebook LM. Best free option for most people. Excellent balance of quality, ease of use, and features, especially the audio overview. Claude Pro. Best overall quality for detailed, well-written summaries. Ideal for professional and academic use. ChatGPT. Most flexible and beginner-friendly. Good all-rounder but slightly lower quality than Claude. Gemini. Convenient for Google users but generally average in summary quality. Illicit site. Best for academic and scientific research papers. For most content creators and general users. Notebook LM, free, and Claude Pro are currently the two strongest options for summarizing long documents. How to get better summaries from AI tools. Even with the best tools, the quality of the summary depends on how you use them. Here are some practical tips. Upload high-quality source documents. The cleaner and better organized your documents are, the better the summary will be. Be specific about what kind of summary you want. Instead of just saying, "Summarize this," try giving more detailed instructions like, "Summarize the key findings and methodology in simple terms," or "Create a bullet point summary focused on practical takeaways." Use follow-up questions. After getting an initial summary, ask the AI to expand on certain sections or explain things more clearly. Combine tools when needed. For example, use Perplexity to find good sources. Then upload them into Notebook LM for deeper summarization. Always review the summary. Even the best AI tools can miss important context or make small mistakes. Treat AI's summaries as a starting point, not the final version. Final recommendations. After testing and comparing the top tools in 2026, here are my recommendations. For most people, start with Notebook LM, free. It offers excellent quality and is very easy to use. For highest quality summaries, use Claude Pro, especially if you work with important or complex documents. For academic research, consider Illicit or Cite.ai in addition to Notebook LM or Claude. For best results overall, use a combination of tools. For example, use Perplexity to find sources and Notebook LM or Claude to summarize them. The key to getting good summaries is not just choosing the right tool, but also learning how to give clear instructions and review the output carefully. AI tools have made it much faster and easier to process long documents. However, the best results still come from people who use these tools thoughtfully and combine them with their own understanding and judgment. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you understand the best AI tools for summarizing long documents, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical AI guides. And if you have any questions about specific tools or techniques, feel free to leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.